Good game, guys. I'm fucking done with you, bitches.
But I have a theory. People talk loud when they want to act smart, right?
Correct! Chip didn't invite Jerome to the tea party!
Would you guys like some more tea?
Nigga, fuck your tea!
Hey, Mr. Grumpy Gills. When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dory, no singing.
Dory. I love to swim in.
Dory.
When you want to swim, you want
See,
to
I'm gonna get stuck now with that song. Now it's in my head.
Sorry.
Oh my god, Raekwon is gonna die when she hear this. I got to go tell her, let me get up in this house, baby. Oh my god, girl, let me tell you, you will not believe what I had just heard that had just occurred. I just got off the phone with Eshawana Buffon, Tanquibula Fondella, Raquandra, LaQuisha, Benicia, Tisha Buffon, Trella, Niquandrea, and she has said that she has seen Darrell fucking some other lady. Oh my god, no way, who the fuck is he fucking now? Some bitch named Dale Trees. Who? Some bitch named Dale Trees. Oh my god, excuse you, my name is Dale Trees, so you best get up out this kitchen with your blue-ass weave looking dumbass hoe. How many My Little Pony dolls did it take to make that stupid weave? I will snatch you so fast off your fucking head, I will choke you with it, bitch. So get the fuck out of my kitchen, okay? You best get out of my face. Get out of here, bitch. I will stomp the yard in your body. Oh my god, she ran away. What a stupid bitch. She a dumb hoe.
5 o'clock, get a call to go blading at the skate park down by the mall. But my mom